1. Power up!
And the lights on the switches and scales have been randomized. Let's see what these teams can do. Systematic Eliminators, they had one lined up for the scale, but that fell out of the machine just a little bit early. On the red, we've got one power cube delivered from 58-17 to Unirex. On the Red Alliance, that puts red in the lead just barely. They're starting to count those points up first. We were tied up at the end of Autonomous, but now the Red Alliance is pulling into the lead, closely followed by the blue Robotics, getting that power cube, and another one from their partners, Eagle Force, into the blue side switch. But Unirex has grabbed the scale as well for the red, and that's going to start doubling up their lead very quickly. They're leading by 10, but that's going to grow. When you have both the scale and the switch, you're going to gain points a lot faster. They're doubling up with 2 points per second on the Red Alliance. Going to widen that lead until some of these power-ups get into play. Power-ups with the opportunity to force the scale in your direction, or with the ability to double up on your point scoring for 10-second periods. They can make the difference even if you're trailing behind. Red Alliance now breaking that 100-point threshold. 34-82, got one more power cube, but fell out just a bit early. Not able to get it on that scale. The scale still tipped in that right direction, with the Red Alliance doubling up that score now with just over 1 minute remaining. Eagle Force on the blue, they're dropping off one more power cube to that exchange zone. These teams trying to get the power up. There's the first power up played. It's the Levitate power up from the Red Alliance, earning them a 30-point bonus. That Levitate is equal to one robot climbing the scale at the end of the match. There's one more power cube played from Unirex onto the scale in the center of the field. Robotics has one on their machine. They're trying to get that lined up and maybe tip the scale back in the blue direction, but we are approaching this last 30 seconds with no more power-ups yet in play. There's the horn for the 30 seconds, and these robots can now climb the scale for 30-point bonuses. We have one Levitate so far, but no more power-ups in play. Red Alliance, Unirex lined up on the platform. They're trying to hook on and climb. We've got some power-up action from the Blue Alliance. They've got cubes in their vault, and they're ready to play with 8 seconds remaining. No robots that climb the scale yet, but we do have 2 red robots up on the platform for 5-point bonuses each, as determined by the referees as time expires. We had 2 power-ups played just at the very end. Looks like Blue Alliance got their Levitate. And here come the official scores. It is the Red Alliance who defeats the boss. In match number 12, Red Alliance with a score of 368 and Blue Alliance 194.